On with news from India, turning our attention now to the education sector. The Central Board of Secondary Education is likely to finalize its decision and announce the same regarding the holding of Class 10th and 12th board examinations. Remember that question mark has been looming large for a while now. The Supreme Court's 3-judge bench is waiting for the board's decision and has scheduled a hearing on Thursday. The top court had earlier suggested the Central Board of Secondary Education to consider scrapping the examinations. Many state governments, including Maharashtra, Delhi and Odisha, have also asked the Central Board to cancel the exams. More than 3 million students enroll for the 10th and 12th board examinations every year. So how many students will be affected by the CBSE and the Supreme Court's decision? Close to 2 million enrolled for Class 10th board examinations this year and over 1 million for the 12th board examinations. Reports suggest that the government is likely to cancel the 10th board exams and rescheduling the 12th board exams is being seen as an option. Many are also expecting that the board might hold online examinations for students in areas that are major virus hotspots and areas where COVID-19 has been contained. The board is likely to also look at asking the students to appear physically. However, if the 12th board examinations are scrapped this year, major entrance examinations like joint entrance examination for engineering colleges and the NET exam for medical colleges likely to be cancelled as well. This was after many parents had filed a petition stating concern regarding their children's health. The COVID-19 cases number has been on a rise in India, especially in the 2 major cities of Delhi and Mumbai. Parents are worried that students might contract the infection if the examinations are held at such a large scale. Just last month, the board had announced to hold the examinations between the 1st of July to the 15th. But with India recording its highest surge almost every day, it seems unsafe for the students to appear for the board examinations amid the health crisis.